question is, as Lakan Sang Silay, how can you contribute to the overall development of Silaynod youth?
I always believe that words and actions should go hand in hand. As a Lakan Sang Silay, I want to be remembered as a man who contributes to the society, not just through my words, but also with actions. I want to be remembered as the Lakan who speaks for the voiceless and who acts according to 3 T's. First is to teach minds. To teach minds is to teach them the values, the strength, and the courage that all have been passed us by our friends and family. Second T, to touch the hearts. To touch the hearts means to touch the values and ideas that I want to contribute in each and every youth of Silay City. Lastly, I want to transform lives. I don't want to be a Lakan who sees or who witnesses progress. I want to be the start of the progress in this youth development. Because I believe that the chances and the changes I want to see can always start from within. Thank you.